Let's start this episode with a bit of rage between driver and cyclist. A reckless driver tries everything to force this driver with dashcam out of the lane. Prius driver receives instant karma for driving on the shoulder. Driver blocks entire road while pulling out.
My God. Drive! Why did he call the outer one?
Oh my God.
What side? Oh, well, the road there's all on his brakes and stuff.
We all love to see when reckless drivers get punished for their bad driving. Check out reaction of these guys when cop went after this one.
Ooh, and there goes my man. Go get him.
Yes! Yes! Yes, CHP! Yes, CHP!
Woohoo! Hey. You there? Hey, what's going on?
Oh, that was a bad move. Oh, go on. Yes! Yes! Brilliant! I love it. Yes!
Trucker had to brake hard after car crossed in his lane.
Google. Okay, Google. Save video.
Are you f***ing kidding me? What the hell?
After almost getting knocked down, this biker decided to confront the driver.
Yo! Look, he doesn't even want to talk to me now. Put that phone down!
Idiot! You bro! Are you f***ing serious, dude?
Oh, not again!
Bro!
This is time!
What the f***, bro?
So many accidents with this
Bro!
car, man!
Bro! He went through the wrong way. Don't do it. Don't do it.
And now,
Lady in a car pulls out without checking for the traffic.
my C2.
Holy.
But they just look like yours. I remember you were like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Did they just get in an accident? Yeah.
This biker got yelled at for no reason at all.
What? What?
What are you stopping in the middle of the... middle of the road for?
For the North Texas doctor accused of injecting or working at
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Unlimited hours on Saturday. He's not... Oh! Wow. Why would they think that was okay? I don't know.
What was he doing?
The wrong side of the road.
Quand même. L'imbécile de calice.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.